Hi everybody, this is Houseways 007 again, coming from you live here from our open house in Lynn Lake. Oh, wait a second, I got the doorbell.
Hi.
Hi.
I have some possible buyers for you.
All right, awesome. Well, I'm doing a live social media video.
Wow, okay. Hi guys, well, very happy, great Labor Day weekend. We are here holding this open house for a beautiful home. It is a gorgeous home. I mean, not only is it spacious, it has a great view of the lake, and all it needs is a family. So I have some families coming over, but maybe you're the next family. So come on over. Remember, I am here, Beacon Homes, 007, and we're waiting for you. Come on
Right.
by.
See you soon. Hi everybody, and welcome to Lynn Lake. Today in our open house, we're going to be featuring this beautiful home. Javier, Houseways 007, Pagan, and Barbara, Cuba will be here until 4 o'clock. I want to take you around the home and give you a quick tour. So here we go. This is the actual front of the property. We're going to be seeing a two-way entrance. At the front of the home, you have a 2-car garage. As you can see on the side, you have a 3rd-car garage. As you walk inside of the property, Barbara, if you may, can you open the door for me, please? As you walk inside of the actual home, you can see that we have a right entryway that is actually about 16-17 feet high with a beautiful palm tree. As we walk into the property, you also see that you have a great balcony area where you can just spend some good afternoons with the family having a talk. As you look around also in the front of the subdivision, you have some beautiful homes surrounding the area where you're going to have a lot of awesome neighbors to be able to meet, as I had the opportunity to meet as I was door knocking today with Barbara. All right, as we come back actually into the property, you see that you have a big formal living room where you have actually a balcony where you can overlook in the afternoons as the family has some good time in the formal living room. Also here you have our famous signing sheet, so anybody that comes around, we got some cookies, we have some mint, we have some gummy bears. As you keep walking through the property, you have a long hallway where you're going to actually get into going into what we call the family room of the property. Family room with a beautiful lake view, actually Lynn Lake, which is actually located in 33625 West Chase area. Here we have the spacious kitchen with stainless steel appliances and real wood cabinets. As we keep walking into the first story of the property, you have a bathroom where you can have anybody who visits you attend. And then on the left hand side, you have a full room with a full closet that actually has an amazing view to the actual lake. Lynn Lake view, where I can see myself spending some afternoons looking at. All right, as we continue to move to the property, we also have across from this bedroom what is called an actual office of the property on the first floor. For those of you like me who are in a business where you're going to need an office, you can have a beautiful office where you can overlook the actual lake house, which is actually gorgeous, as you can see, and you can look at it from any angle of the property. In addition to that, the property has an amazing balcony where you can spend some afternoons after work and sit in the outside and relax as you keep looking at your beautiful lake view. So this is the actual first story of the property. I am going to go upstairs right now so we can take a look at that next part of the property. As you can see, we have some beautiful wood floor going up, or actually wood planks that are made out of real oak going up the stairs, as you can see. And then on the right hand side, before we actually go up, we have the master living room where all the magic happens. You have a double-sided closet with doors. There's plenty of space in there. As we look around the master, you will also see that you have your bathroom where you can actually go in and have some quality time while you unwind after the day. It has its private tub. You have your stall shower, stand up actually, and then you also have where you could just spend some time having a good time. All right, as we continue to move through the property, we're going to go to the second story, which I will let you know as soon as I go up these stairs. Thank you. All right, so here we go, round two. We're going up the stairs so we can check out this beautiful home from the second story, which is as beautiful as the first story. As I mentioned when we walked in, you have a balcony in the entrance where you can actually overlook the formal living room and the actual entrance of the property, which I think is pretty cool. Gives you a very high dimension of the high ceilings, giving you more space. It has multiple windows and you can hang a chandelier. I know a lot of people would like to hang a chandelier, so we continue going down. We go down to the actual hallway. It's actually all made out of solid wood. Second story still has tiles throughout the house, so in case any spills happen, it's easy to clean. As we continue to walk to the property, I'm going to walk to my left where we're going to have another bedroom. Very spacious, a lot of space, closet space also pretty good, and it also has a view out of the window where you can overlook a portion of the lake, so you can have some awesome mornings looking at the lake. All right, we continue to our next bedroom, which it will be right across from the hallway. In front of us we have the actual bathroom of the second story, or one of them, because we have actually two up here. And right in front of it you have the other bedroom, which definitely has a good size, and it actually points to the front of the property, as we can kind of see there through the window, your neighbor in the front. And it's also pretty spacious, and it also has a closet space, so it helps out when you have a big family like I do. Then we keep going straight across to the next bedroom, where this one will have an actual straight view to the lake through the window, and it's also as spacious as the other one. As I said, it has 3,600 square feet plus the property, so all rooms have a awesome size to them, where you can put a lot of furniture or whatever you please to do depending on your decorating style. Now, the other thing that this bedroom does is that it connects to the actual playroom or the game room of the property, which is here located in the second story, and it's also big and spacious, and it also has a small closet and a bathroom that was actually remodeled completely. So I think this is an awesome feature. If you have some friends, family member in the bonus room or in the playroom, they don't have to go down. In addition to that, throughout the room you can see the lake through the window, as you can see here in the video, and then you have the grand balcony overlooking the lake, where you can spend some amazing afternoons like this afternoon coming up these weekends on Labor Day. I'm gonna open the screen door and we are going to walk into paradise. Here it is, one side of the balcony. We're looking, overlooking Lynn Lake. Beautiful place, beautiful location, beautiful home. We're willing to negotiate. My seller would like to sell the property as soon as possible. So give us a call, make your offer today. Come check us out, Houseways 007, Barbara Beacon Homes, Future Home Realty, together negotiating for you. Thank you very much. Talk to you soon.